also officially in hurricane season, and in an effort to keep you prepared, CBS News Miami partnered with the Global Empowerment Mission for a hurricane supplies giveaway. With the help of Farm Share and Neighbors for Neighbors, thousands of boxes full of items you can use during and after a storm were given to families who need it. You're looking at video from Lauderdale Lakes while members of our CBS News Miami team helped to hand out boxes to over 500 families.
The message is always to be prepared and to be proactive instead of reactive. So we're so used to responding in the aftermath of storms, but again, this year we want to be helping residents get ahead of the storm.
And there were 8 distribution sites across South Florida giving away these much needed items for free. And CBS News Miami Steve Majuri is your reporter at another distribution site in Miami Gardens. He's explaining how important these are to our community.
Mary MC says she was the 11th person in line to get hurricane supplies. She thought she'd be first, considering how early she came.
4:30 a.m. and I'm glad I did. As you can see, it's all wrapped around. People really do need help.
She got her hurricane goods at Antioch Missionary Baptist Church in Miami Gardens, which she says is right down the street from her.
I'm overwhelmed. Only reason I'm not crying because I've been crying ever since I heard about it, which I'm happy. We haven't had nothing done like this in the community in years.
This was one of 6 different hurricane kit giveaways here in South Florida. At this location, there were 500 hurricane kits available to anyone who needed them. Some drove up. Charles McCoy walked up.
I parked the car because the crowd is tremendous. Yeah, plenty of people here, a lot of people in need.
Each hurricane kit included an emergency blanket, meals ready to eat, flashlights, ponchos, first aid kits, electrolytes, detergent sheets, makeup, cases of water, and dog food.
I mean, you don't want to be caught off guard without any of their supplies.
CBS News Miami was there to help load up trunks as people drove up. We also handed out our hurricane preparedness guide. You can get a copy of it on our website. In Miami Gardens, Steve Majiri, CBS News Miami.